Have you ever thought about what is better, the city or the country life? Whether you dream of a quiet life surrounded by nature or an exciting lifestyle in a crowded city, both country and city life have unique advantages and challenges. Let's take a closer look at both and see which one suits you best. But first, let's define what we mean by city and country life. City life refers to living in a peaceful nature setting with fewer people. Uh, in, and city life means living in a busy environment with many people, buildings, and opportunities. Now let's explore this lifestyle in more detail. Started by the country life. The country life offers a quiet and peaceful environment, and the people usually live in large houses with gardens. They have uh, they have clean air, beautiful nature, and green fields, with small communities where people know and support each other. They have less stress and low population levels, leading to a healthier lifestyle. Some disadvantages of country life are there has a limited job opportunity, so there are fewer workplaces, meaning people may need to travel for work. They have buses, which may only come once an hour, making cars necessary, and they have limited access to educational and healthcare services. Now let's go on to the next lifestyle, the city life. Um, the city life uh, have many job opportunities in different industries. They have a well developed public transportation with frequent buses, trains, and metros. They have a big choice of restaurant, shops, and environment options. And they have a diverse population with people from many culture, which you can also explore or rise your knowledge. Some challenges are the rent and everyday expenses, which are expensive. The streets are crowded with traffic and people, so the environment is more busy and noisy. They have a high crime rate, so the risk is higher of thefts and other crimes compared to rural areas. But why do people move to the city? Because there are more job opportunities. So cities offer a wide range of employment options. They have more schools, hospitals, and professional services, and everything you need is close by. So you have less less time to spend on. It's easy and access to buses, trains, and subways, making communi- commuting easier. And they have more opportunities to meet people and participate in events. And so it can rise your social status. And some cities are hubs for modern technology and businesses. Now talk about why. Let's talk about why do people choose the countryside. The countryside, mm, um, the countryside is more have more people. But the countryside have a high cost of city life, so many people move to the countryside for more affordable lifestyle. More people can work from home, reducing the need to live in cities, and they have clean air, more space, and a quiet environment, which improves the well-being. For example, during the COVID-19, many people moved to rural areas for safety, space, and health reasons. Some fun facts. No. Some fun facts are in some cities, the people rent small, quiet rooms to escape the noise. During the farmers play music for cows to keep them happy and increase milk production. And the second fun fact is in some cities people have to pay for clean air because of high pollution level. As we reach the end of this presentation, I would like to ask you what you prefer to live in the countryside or in the city. Thank you for listening.
Okay.